Welcome back, THS Chem students. Today we're talking about ionic and covalent properties. Okay, so properties of ionic compounds. So some common features and materials with ionic bonds. Remember, first of all, ionic compound is a salt. Any metal to a non-metal is a salt. Okay, so that's a positive ion to a negative ion. Makes an ionic compound. So ionic compounds are hard, form crystal lattices. They have high melting points and boiling points. Okay, important here is that they conduct electricity when they're dissolved in water or as a liquid. Okay, solid ionic compounds do not conduct electricity. Okay, look at the examples down below. So what you're going to notice here is that when they're a solid, you'll see the S after the compound. That's telling you that it's a non-conductor because it's in a solid state. If you see an L or an AQ, that means it's dissolved in water if it's AQ. Ionic compounds break into ions in water, so they conduct electricity. In liquid form too, they also will be a conductor of electricity. Okay, so again, what you have to memorize is here is that ionic compounds do not conduct electricity in the solid phase. Okay, keywords you'll see is crystal, salt, transfer electrons. Those are all used in multiple choice questions. Okay, the second type is the covalent compounds. Remember, covalent also means molecular. Okay, it's a nonmetal to a nonmetal. Alright, the first type is molecular solids, liquids or gases. Okay, molecular substances often are soft. Okay, they're poor conductors of heat and electricity. They have low melting and boiling points. They're brittle. Okay, they can cleave rather easily. Right, and more importantly here, they are non-electrolytes. They do not conduct electricity in water. Okay, so if you see it as a solid, liquid, or AQ, either way, they're always non-conductors. Okay, so molecular substances, okay, that molecular marshmallow, okay, think of it as that, they are non-conductors. Okay, that's the first type. Molecular solids, okay, are usually soft, poor conductors, low melting point, do not conduct electricity. Okay, the second type is a network solid. Okay, these are covalent crystals. Okay, put it in quotations because usually crystals refer to as ionic substances. All right, network solids here form a certain lattice. That's why they're similar to ionic substances, because they form a lattice. All right, they have a certain property here. Okay, they're hard, they have high melting points, they're good insulators. Okay, they're also transparent. Okay, the best example is diamond, also graphite, your pencil, that's pure carbon. Okay, that is a network solid. And silicon dioxide, that's sand or quartz, that's also a network solid. Okay, diamond, what happens here is that the carbon molecule can bond in 4 directions and makes an endless lattice. Right, when a diamond is formed under high pressure and temperature, you can get the certain size of the diamond to be created and the purity of the diamond too. Basically, if you look at here's a regular diamond, you can see the pattern in the side of the diamond, and on the right here, this is a lattice structure of carbon molecules, or carbon atom, I'm sorry, that bonds in 4 directions, and it's endless. And when it breaks, it ends, or when it can stop. There's no more carbon molecules to form. Okay, so that's network solids. Remember, there's 2 types of covalent compounds. There's molecular solids and network solids. Okay, network solids are hard. Okay, remember diamond, graphite, sand. Like molecular solids, like sugars, okay, are soft. All right, have a good day. Hope this helps with the properties.